Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of June. So I have my regular order, but I also have a free product that I picked up using my Essential Rewards points. So I'm going to show you that today as well too. So basically, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have more than just essential oils. They have lots of oil-infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have supplements and nutritional items. They have products designed for women, men, children, babies, and even your pets. As an Essential Rewards member, I'm committed to spending at least $50 on products each month. And so the good thing about that is I can go in and I can change those products each month to get the things that my home needs. So usually my orders consist of essential oils, supplements, and personal care products, and sometimes household cleaning products. So we're gonna get into this to see what I got for this month. So I have a bag, and the bag is actually my monthly order, and then the product that I ordered with my points is in the box. So we're gonna start with the bag first. I can't really remember what I got for this month, so we'll see. All right, so first thing I see is a packing slip, and so I'm gonna set that to the side. I got more than I thought I did. And the first thing in the bag is this giant tube, and usually the giant tubes are for supplements, but it doesn't feel like that. What did I get? Ooh, I got the Lavender hand and body lotion. And so I love Young Living's body lotions and bath and shower gels, and lavender is one of my favorites. It's a smell that I've really come to love through using Young Living essential oils and things like that. And so their hand and body lotions contain different essential oils and things that are good for your skin. And so it says infused with pure lavender essential oil, lavender hand and body lotion moisturizes and hydrates the skin with a relaxing, soothing scent. Formulated without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And so let's see what's in it. I'm going to try to pick out some of the essential oils here. Lavender, sandalwood, which I love sandalwood. Let's see. Lemon, rosemary, davana, and myrrh. And so those are the main essential oils, and I think it smells really nice. I like to use it right after I get out of a hot shower, and it just kind of glides on and makes my legs feel really smooth. So that's a good one to have. Let's read what it says about lavender hand and body lotion. All right, so the lavender hand and body lotion is infused with lavender essential oil and other plant-based ingredients. Lavender hand and body lotion moisturizes skin for long-lasting hydration. And I would agree with that because I tend to have really dry skin, and I love to use that. Like I said, especially right after you take a hot shower or a hot bath, it just makes your skin feel so smooth. So that's all in the big tube. Next, oh, I do have a supplement. Okay, yes, I just ran out of these. This is the Multigreens Herbal Supplement. It says energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa essential oil. And so there are 120 capsules in this bottle. And so it lasts me a long time because I don't take as many as it recommends. I usually just take one a day. The directions say to take 3 capsules 2 times daily, and I just feel like that's a lot. Now, I could probably increase the amount that I take. I just haven't done that yet. So let's read what it says about Multigreens. All right, so Multigreens, it says Multigreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption. And like I said, it says to take 3 capsules 2 times daily. Let's see what other ingredients it has. It says bee pollen, barley, spirulina, choline. Well, anyways, it's got all kinds of good stuff in it, and I just feel like it helps support my energy. So I like to take that once a day in the morning with my other supplements. All right, next. I've got a tube here, which usually means, a little tube usually means essential oils. It feels like there might be 2 in there. Ah, yes. So I've got lime essential oil, and lime essential oil is just one of my favorites for summertime. I mean, we use it all year round. We especially like to diffuse lime with Stress Away, which is an essential oil blend, and it smells like a margarita when you diffuse it. It's just really relaxing and calming and refreshing. But lime also pairs well with like your other citrus essential oils like orange and tangerine. There are a lot of summer diffuser blends that use lime essential oil, and this is a single oil. It just contains lime essential oil in it, so it's a single, whereas some of the other essential oils are blends where it has multiple essential oils in the bottle. But let's read about lime essential oil. I just think it has a really nice fresh scent. All right, so lime essential oil, it comes in a 15 milliliter bottle. It says lime has a wonderfully light and uplifting aromatic scent. Diffuse it to encourage feelings of positivity. And it says that you can diffuse it, directly inhale it, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So that's just a great summertime essential oil that I like to have on hand. Like I said, we use it a lot to diffuse in the diffuser. And there's another oil in the tube. Another staple, another single. So orange essential oil. To me, orange essential oil is like your go-to all year round essential oil because it's in all of the diffuser blends for spring, summer, fall, winter. It just pairs nicely with several essential oils, and so it's a very affordable essential oil, and it smells so fresh and so bright, and I love the smell of it. I like to combine it with Thieves. I like to combine it with Stress Away. If you do orange and Stress Away together, it smells like a creamsicle, and so it's a really good one to have as well. So I got two summertime staples. Let's read what it says about orange essential oil. So orange comes in a 15 milliliter bottle, and both of these are very affordable essential oils. It says orange is a favorite for diffusion and aromatic uses. It may be calming and bring feelings of inspiration, and you can diffuse it, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. Now both of these, because they have the colored label, are for diffusing and applying topically. They aren't for internal consumption. The Vitality line with the white labels is designed for internal consumption. They have to do that for FDA purposes. So, orange essential oil, another good one for summertime. Then I have something that I order about once a year, maybe twice a year. I got a lip balm trio. And so Young Living has lip balms. And so I got the trio, and the trio contains Grapefruit, Lavender, and Cinnamint. So when you get the trio, those are the three that come in the trio. Now the Grapefruit, this is my go-to summertime lip balm. And what I like to do is I use liquid lipstick. So I like to apply the Grapefruit lip balm before I put my liquid lipstick on, because sometimes those lipsticks can be very drying. And so it keeps it from drying out my lips, so I like to use it that way. Or if I'm going to go to the pool or be out in the sun, I like to apply it so my lips don't seem to get burnt. I like to keep my lips moisturized, and so this is a perfect one for that. The lavender one is my favorite one to apply before nighttime. It just keeps my lips from getting dry and cracked and chapped and things like that. It's my all year round nighttime lip balm. And then the Cinnamint is kind of like my fall and winter. So Grapefruit, spring and summer, lavender nighttime, and then Cinnamint is my fall and winter lip balm. So that's good to have. I'm going to read to you what it says about the lip balms. They just glide on so smoothly. So we'll start with the Grapefruit. It says, infused with grapefruit essential oil, wolfberry seed oil, and antioxidants, this refreshing lip balm seals in moisture for smooth lips. So for the Lavender lip balm, it says, lavender lip balm soothes dry lips, harnessing the power of lavender essential oil and the moisturizing properties of jojoba oil and vitamin E. For the Cinnamint lip balm, it says, moisturize and protect your lips with our naturally derived lip balm featuring pure cinnamon bark and peppermint essential oils. Cinnamint lip balm helps prevent skin dehydration for soft, smooth lips. And I love those. I just make sure I always have a couple of those on hand. Let's look at my free item that I got with my Essential Rewards points. So as an Essential Rewards member, what you can do is, like I said, you're committed to spending at least $50 in products each month. But what happens is you get a certain percentage back on those products. And I think I'm currently at 25% back. So whatever I spend, I get 25% back, and it banks points, or basically dollars, for me to spend on free products. And so basically I'll bank up those points, and every so often I'll buy something with my points. And one thing that I was starting to run low on was the Sandalwood Moisture Cream, which is my daytime and nighttime moisturizer that I like to use on my face. I have very dry skin, and so that's my favorite moisturizer for my face, but they were out of stock. So I decided to try the Art Intensive Moisturizer. And since it's an intensive moisturizer, I'm hoping it's really good for my skin. So ART stands for Age Refining Technology, and so it says here, infused with exotic botanicals and essential oils, ART Intensive Moisturizer provides lasting hydration that recaptures the qualities of younger looking skin. I would like that. Let's see what some of the ingredients are. So I'm looking for essential oils. Hinoki oil, Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, cedarwood, ylang ylang, frankincense. That looks like to be the essential oils in it. The directions say, with upward and outward motion, apply on clean, dry face and neck. Use morning and night and throughout the day. Let's see. Let's open it up. I've never tried it, never smelled it. I'm really hoping that the sandalwood moisturizing cream will come back in stock, because that really is a favorite of mine. I just love the way it smells and it feels. And so it looks like this. I'm going to open it up. Ooh. It's got this fancy top on it. I don't know if I like that top. Okay, there it is. Feels good. Really nice and smooth. Smells like sandalwood to me. Or maybe cedarwood. Smells good. I think I like the smell of the sandalwood moisture cream a little bit better. I'd have to compare them side by side, but it smells good. Did it have cedarwood in there? I can't remember. Let's check it out. Yes, it has cedarwood, and that's what I feel like I'm smelling, is that cedarwood. Okay. I wonder if you can take the top off. Oh yeah, you can. So you can take the top off, so when you start to get low. That is nice that it has that little, I didn't know how I felt about it, but I guess that's to keep it more sanitary instead of dipping your finger into the moisturizer. But you can at least open the lid up and get the rest of it out when it starts to get low, so that's nice. So I'm going to test that out, and I'll let you know what I think about it. Hopefully it really is an intensive moisturizer, because that's what I need for my face to keep it from being too dry. Anybody else have dry skin? What are your favorite moisturizers if you do? I'm curious. All right, so that's the Art Intensive Moisturizer. Let's just check out the book to see what it says. Okay, so let me read to you what it says. They have a whole line of Art skincare products. They have the Gentle Cleanser, which I use as my morning face wash. They have the Refreshing Toner, which I use in the morning. They have the Light Moisturizer. I've tried that, but I don't like that as well as something a little bit more moisturizing. It's very light. They have a mask. They have a renewal serum. I've not tried either one of those. And so let's see what it says. It says, our specially formulated Art skincare system safely and effectively cleanses, tones, and moisturizes your face to reveal the beauty you were born with. And so for the Intensive Moisturizer, it says, a deeply hydrating cream. Art Intensive Moisturizer gives dry skin the moisture it needs to look healthy and more radiant. So hopefully that will work well for me. So for my monthly order, I got the Lavender Hand and Body Lotion, the Multigreens, the Orange and Lime Essential Oils, and then the 3 lip balms. And then my free product was the Art Intensive Moisturizer. So if you have any questions about Young Living, please leave those in the comments boxes below. I will leave my membership number, which would allow you to go in and you could enter that membership number to try products out for yourself. But like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And then I guess I'll see you next month with my July Essential Rewards order. Until next time, bye guys.